Your friend, your friend cares about you. That he put you back. He put you in here. He wants you. He wants you to succeed. And those are the people you should keep in your life. Okay. Why you running in it? Why you running in it? We're just giving this guy motivation, and now you demotivated the shit out of him. Don't trust him. Don't trust him, please. Anything but that. ZZ, yell at top stuff for me? Bro, I'm not even gonna yell for myself. I'm sorry. If you have any issue with top step, yeah, bro, just forget it. So you're the guy I should be copying? No, 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 no. I'm not that guy. Not even close. Not even close. I'm not that guy. Top Step limited contract? Yeah, bro. They saw me booking. Well, they saw us. They saw the whole Discord booking. They're like, nah, fuck that. We're not doing that shit no more. Top Step nerfed us. Literally. Literally, we got nerfed. It's kind of a huge. That's a huge of a fucking of yeah buying a supply. Huge of a supply. Yo, running Top Step dry, bro. I'm sorry, gang. Somebody gotta do it. Somebody gotta do it. Alright, that's a perfect fucking reaction off that zone. No, 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 no. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Don't. That's not enough. That's not enough, GC. No. No, 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 no. That's not enough. That's not enough. That's not enough. That's not good pullback for me. That's not good pullback. Am I tripping or am I looking extra pink? Okay, cool. Okay, we're having some good reaction off that level, but I'm still not gonna take it for short yet because of these buying candles. We have this buying candle right here. I'm not gonna. Looking pink? You pink? Nah, look at this. It's like I have makeup on or some shit. The fuck? What time frame is the supply? So it's narrowed down on a 5 minute, and I narrowed it down on the 1 minute. But so far we're holding. We're holding. How big are these candles? Okay. Oh, they're not bad. They're not bad. Yeah. We just shat on that. Still not in. They're just buying candles. I'm not interested in that. Still, there is rejection. Don't get me wrong. We are kind of weak. It's like it's rejecting a little bit, but not enough to the point where I want to short. Because I haven't seen a red candle hold for more than 5 seconds. How do you confirm entry on a supply and demand? I just look at the candles. That's why I use these strat. I use these strat to kind of look at the volume of the candles and then determine my executions based on that. Check your email from TopStep. Quick, 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 quick. That's why I need the fucking big ass monitor. Copy him. Copy with what? Monitor? Bro, cause I'm trying to see the price action from 1999. Don't blame me, gang. That shit's goated. It's not copying, it's more confirming your bias and if you like it or not. So he buys things first, and if I like it, I just buy them then. You know what I mean? So it's like you gotta think. You gotta think. You know? Because if I buy something and then I don't like it, then I was like, that's too much wasting time. But if he buy it and I don't like it, then I don't need to buy it. You know what I mean? But if he buys it and I like it, then I just buy it too. Yeah, me too. I'm gonna try that short with you too. I'm gonna be aiming for that demand. I'm aiming for that demand. Potentially. If we go down more, I do like this break of the 3. That's why I kind of entered in with the volume. But okay, we need this to flip right here. Okay. So I'm gonna delete that there, and I'm gonna use this level. I'm gonna use this level that we just made. I'm gonna use this level that we just made for a longs, honestly. I'm just gonna continue that momentum to the buy side. I'm gonna wait for a pullback into that level that we just made here. I'm just gonna wait. Okay. Too tight on that stop. Too tight on that stop. You forgot the retest? No. It's too tight on that stop. It was a good stop though, really. That wasn't tight at all. It was good. It was a really good stop. I'm not even mad about that stop actually. Yeah, okay, so Yo, if this breaks, limit it to the top, I might go for longs for the continuation. Cause this is like, it's holding but not holding to the level I want it to hold. Cause we should have pushed down from that candle. Yeah. Okay, we break this hammer right here. Okay. Breaks that low. I'm out of those. Damn. Okay. Silver is pushing up. Now we're gonna get probably a stop down on that one. Not strong enough though. Stop, giant, you're gonna hit. Yeah, stop. It's okay. That's fine. Oh my god, what the fuck happened? Okay, cool. Alright, so our bias was right in the beginning. Okay. The only reason I kind of flipped my bias real quick on it because of this kind of candle right here, of this candle. This candle indicates for me that we want to reverse and continue that direction to the downside. And then after that, we got this candle that pushed down. We should have seen a continuation off this candle, really. But I guess we got faked out. I wanted to see continuation off this candle if we wanted to break to the downside and continue that move down. But instead, we pushed up and then we broke it to the top side here. And then that's where I took my entries for the longs. I wanted to continue higher for kind of these areas right here, this supply or this supply. But we did not get that. And that is completely okay. So I guess we just had a tighter stops on that first entry. Should have waited for the candle close. Yeah, I mean, we should have, but it's okay. Where was the first entry? First entry was right here. What was the first entry on this? That was the first entry on that. I'm just gonna wait on this. I want to just give it a sec before I try anything else. I tried the short. I got stopped out too early on him because we had a not really. I wouldn't say a tight. I wasn't a tight stop on it at all. That was not even a tight stop on it. $19. You guys say that was a tight stop? You guys think that's a tight stop? Yeah. It's 43 ticks though. Depends on the account balance. That account has like 8,000 on it. Bad entry? No, it was a good entry. It was a really good entry. Yeah, I was gonna move it. Yeah, low key. $500, be tight. The first one wasn't even 500. The second one, I give it more space on the second one. First one was like 350. You heard of the top step rule? Yeah, I did. $100,000. If we retrace back up to that supply and we see weakness, I might enter in for shorts to target that demand on the low. Because that's where I wanted in the beginning. But I had tight stops on it. 43 ticks? Is that a tight stop loss? 15? But the New Year's volume has really changed. Yeah. That's crazy. That would have been TP right there. That's would have been TP. That would have been TP for me. That would have been TP for me. This is the continuation level for short. We need to reject off this level to continue the short. What do you think on the restriction on Top Step, bro? It's fine. I mean, the contracts are still heavy, so not that big of a deal. How much for a full mentorship, Z? Submit a ticket on the Discord for that. Nice. Nice. Now I'm always winning dubs. Yo, it's supply and demand, just order blocks. Basically, they just renamed, he just renamed supply and demand to order blocks. Yes, yes. We go live during New York on the Discord only. Yo, I'm on the Discord, but I can never hear you. New York session? Just let us know. Just let us know on the Discord. Just let us know in the Discord, because sometimes the Discord glitches and stuff. So we will restart it if you don't hear us. Just let us know in there. How did Eddie hit TP, not you? Because I had a tight stops on it. That's just an insane flip on the 15. Order blocks for price. Basically, yes. So supply and demand zones after they get tested once, they usually retest. That's where usually my entries are. You gonna stop the break even? Fuck, dude, I wanted that fucking ping pong so bad. I literally had my TP at that demand. I had that demand marked out just to fucking ping pong it. Because of the 30 minute. 30 minute open up, new 30, push down. I was expecting a push down, test that level, and continue going up. Sucks. It's a good reaction right here. but we have an inside on the 1 minute. Break to the downside. Try that shorts. Okay. Are you guys the same? No. I'm in. I just don't like my fucking SL on this at all. It's too much. Way too much for this position. And the entry is not the best. But it is an inside break. It's a retest of that level. That's a second retest. At the same time, this 30 could flip. Okay. Cleared my throat, gang. Okay. How do you go about losing days? It's fine because I know I've taken multiple payouts with the strategy that I've been trading. So if I take a loss, it's fine. Still tomorrow. There's still another day. Doesn't matter to me. I know the strategy that I use is profitable because I have profited from it myself. So it's not going to change anything. In the end of the day, you can't read the charts every single day correctly. I don't. This is bullshit. Why not long here? I wouldn't want to long it at just a random zone. I would want to long it at a demand zone. But I don't like how this is holding up at all. I need to see this flip to the downside. Silver is pushing up here. Alright, here's the same level. We're gonna break that. Oh shit, we did break down early. Okay. Broke the 4 hour. Yeah, this is. Oh wait, we broke the daily to the top side too. Fuck, I didn't see that. Sheesh. Alright. Yeah. I don't know about this stops is insane. A little bit. Dust that out. Thanks a lot. Yeah. It's a big stop. Oh, silver is pushing up. Nah, silver is pushing up. Yeah, this is gonna continue. I feel like this is gonna continue going up after it breaks that level. We'll basically have one more trade in the bank for this. And that is it, basically. Okay, yeah, 15, down 1500. Yeah, there it is. I mean, let's just give it some time. Just gonna give it my some time. I'm gonna delete everything off the chart, give it some time. Do you guys always scream every day? Looking at daily, bro? Yeah, I see it. I just noticed that daily broke to the top side here. I'm gonna give it some time. I'm not gonna take anything right now. I'll take one more, but not now. So TD. Why do people get mad when they lose copy trading? Because they don't expect it. They expect every day to be a winning day. Wait 10 minutes before losing in, basically. Easy, can you be green fast with one trade? No sweat? Easy, yeah. Oh shit, I didn't even fucking post it. Where did you get stopped down at? Oh, 3. No, silver is too heavy. I can't trade silver on Tradeify. It'll be too heavy. Can you get from your account for signal botting or they won't know? No, they don't know. Where is this? Yep. Retest for full point long. We'll see. We'll see. Take one more trade for this. Because I'm I'm willing to risk 2,000 on the day. That's it. On the accounts. That is it. No hourly open soon, yeah. Didn't even give me a full fucking enough of a pullback. Stupid. You see trading restriction on Top Step? Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. Man. Just looking at this level here, could have got a fucking retracement. I would have done something with it. What do you have marked out? I have supply and demand zones. So this is my supply on the 5 minute. This is a demand on the 1 minute for a continuation. Shorts. See what you did, Top Step. No hourly open soon. It's your fault, I guess. It's not even that bad. We're green on Top Step and we took a payout. So our balance is now at 89. So it's down to 89 from 94. From 94 to 89. Took a payout and then we booked on the day. Took a payout, booked on a day. So far, we are negative 25 on the fucking account on the month. And we got another payout. We got another payout on the select account. Bro, 7th fucking payout. 7th payout on this account. In a fucking row. Insane. What's the last month looking like? This is the last month. Do you trade the Top Step account on Discord? Sometimes we do, yeah. But so far, since I've been just cruising, no. I haven't. I've been just trading on my own. Because there's no point of trading on a Discord when I'm just trying to take the base hits of 150, 150, trying to make it to live. Yes, basically 5K, 5K. So we're on the 3rd payout. We're aiming for the 4th payout. We get 5 payouts and then we move to live. That's the whole, that's the point. That's the goal. Z, you were right, but the pullback, yeah, I wanted the pullback here, but we didn't get enough pullback. I also wanted to enter right here, but that could have been risky. If I took only one position on the day and I lost on it, I would have taken it right here, honestly, not even gonna lie. After this inside, after retracement into inside bar, broke to the top side, I would have taken it. But since I'm in drawdown right now, 1500, I really don't want to risk it on just a risky trade. Do you help the Discord also get payout? Bro, this is the Discord, bro. Profits. Equinox going crazy 2026. Requesting a payout tomorrow. That's today only, guys, by the way. Basically. Look at, bro, silver is taking a shit, bro. Silver is taking a shit. Is that the hourly? Yes, it is. Oh my god. I want to take it for a long. This is literally the level I had marked out earlier. This is the level that I had marked out earlier. Fuck, bro, look at silver. Silver just switched up so quick. This is the candle of put a limit buy right here. How many days do you have to trade for the payout of Tradeify? Bro, it's daily payouts. On the select accounts, daily payouts. Yeah, the 5-minute demand. I have it marked out too. So you have to make 5K on top. No. Anything I make up top of the 89, then I can be able to request 5K. That's how it is. So anything above the balance that you request, you have to be above the balance that you request. Silver is pushing up aggressively. Yeah. Just made first day on the eval. If I see another setup, no. If you're on Top Step, no. No, you have to pass it in 2 days, basically 50%. So you made 1,600. That's it. Wait for the next day. Wait for tomorrow to make another 1,600. Monthly PNL on, well, this account I'm not taking serious. This is the account that I'm taking serious. This one I'm not taking serious. I'm just trading it to get whatever I can from payouts. Let me see the levels on silver. My God, silver is just fucking flying. Dude. But like, it's flying and rejecting. It's flying and rejecting. It's so stupid. This is just fucking flying. Yeah. You're 22? Yes, I am. Always down, but always up. Silver, traded silver. Just give me a pullback, god damn it. What about consistency? What consistency? There's no consistency on Top Step. It's just there's payout caps. That's it. And after 5 payouts on the same account, you get to move to live. So bro, I want the fucking longs, but this shit is not giving me a pullback. And by the time it gives me a pullback, I'm gonna get faked out and go into fucking. It's gonna go shorts. Like by the time. Done for the day, man. Shut it off. That's okay. I'm willing to risk 2,000 on the day. Do you recommend the 5 minute or the 1 minute for continuation? 1 minute for sure. Guys here are mad for asking educational questions. Nobody's mad. Nobody's mad. Zizi, please tell us what's your strategy. We made a whole video on Terrible's channel. You can go ahead and watch that. It's like a 1 hour and 20-minute video. It kind of explains the basic of how we trade. It goes over like how we trade. Do you post trade recaps? I'm starting to. Not really. We used to do that. Not anymore. Since we're taking most of the trades live. Not really. Turbo Trades Capital. That's what's the YouTube channel. Feeling stuck. Oh, what the fuck? Do you need a buffer for that daily payouts? Yes, you do. Again, without me. Again, it goes without me. I thought you were going long. I want to, yeah, but like, No, she come, but she for it. She for it. This is I never make what they make in a life. No, I don't speak French. I wish. What they make in a life. What she mean, but she for it. She for it. I want to take one more trade. That's it. I'm willing to lose 2,000 on the day. That's it. Can save I'm hiding now. Smoking out the weed on one thing now. You still looking for buys? Yeah, I am. We're at a supply right now, so bro, this is a good entry for a continuation, but way too risky. Enter, bro? No. Not a good entry for me to be risking 500 for the account. Because the next trade is gonna be my last trade, so I do either need I need to get a really good entry. No, I'm not. I just have the long trajectory on, because I do like it here, but I only have one more trade for the 2,000 I'm willing to risk on a day, and I really want to get a good entry on whatever I take next. And this one is a risky entry, but it's good, but it's risky. Like, it's valid here for continuation. It is risky. Why is that valid? Why is that valid? Oh, it's because of that inside. We had an inside right here. It broke to the downside and it broke to the top side. That indicates a continuation in this scenario for me to continue for those longs, but it's risky because we are at high of day right now. All right. Let's get that break even on the day. Stronger for that continuation. I want to see a push back up from this level. But I want to see how we react right here. Looking to add. Not doing 6-9. We're not doing 6-9, bro. Leave me alone. I'm not trying to deal with 6-9 right now. Can you explain the thoughts behind the entry? I just wanted this demand to get retest, because obviously we want to push down a retracement before we push up and continue that move to the top side. So far all day we have just been doing that. You can see that here, like uptrend, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I just wanted to wait for that demand right here to get tapped into. And I took my longs off the tap into the demand, seeing the rejection come in. And you can see right here on the 30-second, if you look at the 30-second to look at the candles and how we reacted off this, you can see that we have two hammers right here. We have actually a hammer that formed out, broke to the downside, failed it, pushed up, closed as a hammer, broke to the top side, and continued. So that's why we had a hammer right here on this 1 minute. But we'll see what happens. Where's the demand? Right here. Retest. Retest. You don't need the 30 for an entry. I was trying to explain it and narrow it down more, simpler for you guys. You don't use the 30 seconds to enter. Unless you're an advanced trader and you're like trying to scalp really small moves. But I was just trying to show you an explanation of it, basically, of what's happening on the lower time frames. Last trade for me, basically, here. We're so cooked. Alright. We cooked. This is not helping. How do to tend, feel the earth moving. This is the end. I've dreamt and dreamt this moment. Hold up. Wait for the beat drop. GC. Wait. This sky falls. Nah. And the sky falls and it crumbles. Cooked. Don't fake laugh. Holy. Skyfall is where we start. Cooked. We are fried. You're not profitable? I know, bro. I know. I'm just an average human. I'm just an average human being. I have zero profits. I have zero earnings. I play Fortnite for a living. Yeah. Zero earnings, zero profits. I play Fortnite. Screenshots? Yeah, bro, it's fake. It's fake, bro. It's so fake. Oh my god. I took a screenshot of this today that we just got this message today. No way. Bro, flexing the same monthly piano. Oh. When the sky falls and it crumbles, we stand up. Alright, well. Whoa. Nah, it's just ass. It's just ass. I'm just reading the market like shit today. Yeah, my fault. My fault, guys. My fault. I'm sorry. Today's just not it. Yeah, I'm sorry, boys. Oh, I do apologize. Bad read on me today. You know, it's okay. It is what it is. You know what I mean? In the end of the day, I'm sorry, guys. I lost 10K, bro. It's okay, bro. I lost a lot of shit too, gang. Z, I blew the account. Alright, bro. Y'all making me feel like shit now. It is what it is. It's okay, bro. It's okay. Still got the 90K account? Yeah. Show us payouts, bro. Okay, bro. I'll just show you the recent payout. I don't fuck. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna show you recent payouts. That's it. That's all you're gonna get. Here. Ooh. Hold on. What the fuck? Where'd it go? Whatever. I don't care. Show the discipline trade again? Bro. Whatever, bro. It is what it is. Fuck it. We don't care. It is what it is. Fuck it. We don't care. It is what it is. Fuck it. We don't care. I lost everything because of you. Okay. How are you gonna show payout? Because, bro, he's asking for a payout. I don't want to fucking show anything. I don't owe anybody anything. But I'm just reading the market wrong. And there's nothing wrong about that. We're not gonna win every single day. That's not what trading is. Do they give you payouts? I do ACH. Dude, is that a practice account, dude? Yeah, it is. Do Reikis, how many days? Payouts take 5 days. There's so many haters. Risk approved? What do you mean? Like this? That? It's just the requirements. They go through all these requirements. They take the funds out, funding approved, risk approved. They see if you did what you're supposed to do on the account, like you didn't do some like hedging or some bullshit like that. And then they just approve it and they just send it to you basically. ACH is faster, I believe, yeah. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm done. Bad read on me today. I'm sorry for the people that took my trades today. I do apologize for that. Bad read on my end. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll trade during New York session. Trade another account during New York session. Bad read on me today. I do apologize for that. But yeah, we'll come back tomorrow. And yeah. All right. Do you not realize the 5 minute FVG? I don't trade that. Somebody said do not apologize. They take their own risk. I get that, but you know, when a lot of people, when you're taking couple winning trades, people will have expectations and shit. And you just, in the end of the day, you just gotta tell them like it's okay. Shit happens, and it is what it is. I'm not gonna take any more. I'm clearly reading the price action wrong. I took four trades and they all got cooked. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I'm not gonna take anything anymore. There's no point, really. That's just, it's not smart. It's not the best decision to keep going. I took 4 trades in front of you guys and all got cooked right in front of you guys. I tried the shorts. I tried the longs. None of them worked. My entries were bad on them. No follow through on the entries. And yeah. So we'll come back tomorrow. Come back. We'll be trading New York session on the Discord, obviously, always. We'll trade New York session tomorrow. We'll come back during Asia tomorrow. We'll do the same thing. We'll try our best. Try our best to do what we do best. Yeah, but we'll come back tomorrow, guys. I do apologize for whatever happened, but this is trading. This is the reality of trading, and it is what it is. You know, it is what it is. This is the reality of trading. Do not get it twisted. Don't think every day is a winning day. Shit happens, and that's just trading. Just join the Discord, but I can't join the live. You gotta be in the premium section to see the lives, guys. Anyways, appreciate you guys for being here. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're on the Discord, I will see you during New York session. If you are not, I will see you guys during Asia session. Appreciate you guys for being here, and I will see you tomorrow. Laters. Let the sky fall.